Welcome to ASJ Academy. Please type your inquiry here or use the questions available. Please read the response carefully. To learn how to navigate the ASJ enrollment process and services, you may watch it using this link. If you want to continue viewing ASJ services, please click the link and it will lead you to main menu. You will be required to sign in your Gmail account. Click the Sign In button. Type in your email address. Click Next, then type your email address passkey to continue logging in. Welcome to ASJ. Click Record Email to receive data from us. Please read the data privacy policy before proceeding. If you agree, click the checkbox, then Next. Please type in your name following the given format. There are different services that ASJ is providing, from JLPT classes, document translation, and free assessment to determine your current JLPT level. Select the service or class that you want to avail. Please provide the necessary information to continue. Please type in again your email to receive data, the date that you have selected. Then click Submit. Go now to your registered email to see the services that you have selected. You will receive this particular email, then open it. Scroll down and take time to read. Every details is important. If you are still confused and don't know how to navigate ASJ processes, video tutorial is available both in YouTube and Google Drive. Just click the link and watch the tutorial. Once done reading, click here to view and enroll. You will now be redirected to the class details that you have chosen. Read everything carefully. Included in this video are the inclusions of class, schedule, tuition fee. You will have two options, either monthly or full payment. In these sections, you can see different payment options. Choose your preferred option. And lastly, a link on how to enroll. To enroll, please click the button to enroll. View details. Click the Click to Enroll button. And open link. An enrollment form will appear and fill out the necessary information. Make sure that your email is correct. Find your Facebook profile link. Open your Facebook app. Go to your Facebook, to your profile, click the 3 dots, scroll down, then copy profile link. Then, go back to the enrollment form and paste the copied link. Please have patience to submit your necessary information. After completing the info, click Next. The next process is Payment section. You will be asked to choose your payment terms, either month or full payment. We have to blur our bank accounts for this tutorial, but it will be visible when you are doing it yourself. All banks is available and active. You may settle your payment using them. And don't forget to take a picture or screenshot the proof of payment, as you will be needing them in the next steps. Make sure the amount, receiver, and reference number are visible in your screenshot. You will be asked to upload your proof of payment to continue with the enrollment. Click Add, browse, then select your proof of payment. If it failed to upload, you may re-upload it, then click Next. Lastly, you will be asked to read the Terms and Conditions agreement. Read it carefully. Click I agree, then click Submit. Now go to your email and wait for enrollment confirmation. Give us some time to manually confirm your payment or enrollment. After some time, an email will be sent to your registered email, including the learning materials. Read the email carefully. Once you do, please add and message the Facebook admin account of ASJ by simply clicking the attached button. Send a message, "Hello, ASJ." Doing this step is very important. Please do not skip this part. Go back to your Gmail and look for the learning materials. You may browse the learning materials already and get familiarized. Enrollment will be done once you have already been added to the Messenger GC and Google Classroom. Thank you and welcome to ASJ. Further instructions will be posted or given through Messenger group chat.